Hi, I'm Zach and I'm 22 and I've been living in Bangkok for quite a while now. I just completed the Graphic Designs Essential, and the reason why I chose it is because modern art is something that has really captured my heart. I'm a big fan of contemporary visuals and stuff, so I did not know where to start, so that's why I chose this place and this course, so to have like a good foundation and to start in the right place. So I'm currently a freelance web designer and also a musician, so basically I make cool websites and I play a bunch of instruments. I liked the whole class. I think it was fun. My fellow students were amazing. They were funny, which is the best thing. About the teachers were super helpful, super kind. I felt like the course material was very good and so relevant to today's modern technology. The teachers were just so helpful. They were making sure that each student was getting enough time and the right amount of effort from the teacher. Yeah.
What did you have the new skill?
So coming into this course, I did not know how to use InDesign or Illustrator, not much of Photoshop either, but leaving the course now, I feel like I'm very confident with using those softwares and not only creating visuals but also stuff like branding guides and stuff. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so I would 10 on 10 recommend this course to others because I feel like everyone has a creative side to them when it comes to visuals and graphic design. It can be very personal. And this course not only helps you to have a good start, good foundation, but it also brings out the best of you. The teachers really dig in deep to bring the best out of your creative side.